I'm here with listing manager Kim Moya. She works on the Woodbeck team. And we have a subject today that I think is really important for a lot of agents out there. When you list a lot of properties, you depend on the feedback of the marketplace. And so we have a few touch points that go out. We have an auto touch point, and then we have manual follow-ups to agents that show our properties. And Kim here is super passionate about it, and she wants to talk about why it's so important for agents to leave feedback after showing one of the properties.
Yes, thank you, Jess. There's three main reasons that I think it's very important that we provide feedback. First is validity, right? Being able to have that conversation with your sellers in regards to the price point. I'm sure we have all been in a scenario where we have sellers who want to price their home above the market value, right? So as agents, we know that this isn't going to go well with them.
That never happens.
So validity helps because then we're able to get feedback from the marketplace to tell that story.
Right.
It's overpriced. It's not working out. The market is clearly saying this.
Right.
Another important reason to get feedback is the showability. I mean, every seller works really hard, and they go from having a house that they live in, their home, to turning it into a show ready, right? Now it's a product. So people are taking their space, and now they're having to turn it into a product for everybody to come in and take a look at. So,
and it's hard to do, right? Because what we're asking is we need you to remove all the emotion. Right? Remove all the personality you've put into this, all of the family photos, put away your trinkets and things that mean the world to you. They represent memories most of the time, and that's hard for people to do.
Absolutely.
And when they don't listen, we need to be able to provide the feedback of, hey, I walked my buyer through this property. He couldn't keep his eyes off all the photos. He couldn't stop looking through everything, you know, and unfortunately, he just didn't get the feeling that this home was the right fit for them.
They can't picture themselves in it.
Right. It's too personal.
And then the third important piece to feedback is going to be working together, right? We're in the people business. So being able to have the agent who's providing that consistent feedback on your listings is great because you feel like you're already getting a connection. They're bringing value as an agent to you, to your seller. And should they decide that they want to submit an offer, it's great to hear the feedback on what was well and that an offer is coming in. So even if it wasn't on this house and you see their name consistently, maybe on another one of your listings, you're going to see, you know, Mr. or Mrs. Agent. They always provide feedback. They're in it to win it. We're here to work together as a team. They're buyers, our sellers. Let's make a deal happen. So it's always nice when you see a consistent name come through your inbox with feedback that we're able to give to our sellers.
It's really creating that win-win, not only between agent and agent, also with clients involved, right? Sellers and buyers. Couldn't agree more. So listen to Kim, do your feedback, take the 2 minutes it would have you do on your mobile, fill it out, send it in, and be done with it. And that way you're getting exposure as an agent, you're giving validity to the marketplace, and you're helping people know what's working in their showability and what is not.
Yes, thank you.
That was really good. I think that was a really solid video.
Such a professional. Such a professional.
I'm only learning from the best.